Here's our trailer truck. Let's see what these buttons do. There's this one. And it makes the lights flash in the front. And there's this button in the middle. Wow, that sounds like drilling going on. And then this one, I think, is when the truck's ready to go. Let's see what's in here. This one is the tractor. And it has buttons too. See the lights flash? Oh no! Oh no! It's Dogzilla! Oh no! Hey!
Oh, puppy! Hi!
Alright, we're playing with trucks here. Dogzilla, you gonna play with the trucks? Okay. And then this button, what does that do? Alright, let's put that one here. And then, what's in here? It is the bulldozer. Look, these lights flash too. Oh, Dogzilla's checking it out. And that just makes the noise. And look at this, the shovel goes up and down. So we can move dirt with it. And then this button. Alright, well, I think they're ready to work. Let's put them back in and build a bridge today. Oops. There we go. Okay, Dogzilla. We're gonna move out.
Let's move out.
And we're gonna get to the construction site. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Yes, Dogzilla has ruined the bridge. We need to rebuild the bridge. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah.
Let's move out.
And there we go. There's the bridge that Dogzilla knocked down. Okay. So we need the tractor. Here we go. And we're going to need the bulldozer, right? It's on a construction site. We need a bulldozer. Okay. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge with Dogzilla. And look, here comes the flatbed truck with the cement mixer. See that? This will mix cement for us to build our bridge. Okay, here we go. So, I think we need the bulldozer first to do some digging, right? Push the dirt out of the way. And we're going to load it into the dump truck. The dump truck drives away so it can dump the dirt. Then next, I think we need the tractor to push some of the wood. Push this up, and then push this one up. There we go. Then let's get the bulldozer in here. And the bulldozer is going to lift up this board and put it up there. Yay! Then I think we need the tractor to clear out all the rest of the stuff. So let's push it all away. We did it! We built our bridge. And look, cars can go underneath. The cement mixer. Good job, everybody. Whew, we fixed that bridge.